Alright, explain how the parts of the balanced hanger compare to the parts of the equation. Alright, so this right here, the 7 we start with, is the number of blocks on the left side. And let's see, 2x represents the 2 circles on the right. And then lastly we have this 3, which represents the 3 blocks on the right. And so essentially 7 blocks equal 2 circles and 3 blocks. Didn't say to solve it, so I am moving on. Number 3, we have to write an equation. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5x plus an additional 2 equals 17. Check. Draw more hangers to show each step you would take to find x. Explain your reasoning. Alright, I'm not going to draw more hangers, but I am going to manipulate this one. So I am going to cut off 2 from there, which would take 2 away from that and make it equal 15. So 5x's would equal 15. And if 5x is equal 15, then every x must equal 3. Write an equation to describe your hanger. Describe how each equation matches its hanger. Okay, I see what they wanted to do here. So this one matches that one, right? And this one would look like this. You'd have a hanger, and on one side you'd have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 x's. And then on the other side you'd have a big long block that would be 15. And then the last hanger that you would have to represent this one would be a single x that represented a block that weighed 3. And so you kind of go from there to there to there. You follow the process. Okay, that's pretty easy. Let's go to the next problem. We got a little time. That was number 3. Let's go to the last page, lesson number 8, and let's see if we can knock this first problem out. Write an equation to represent this hanger. Okay, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 groups of x plus 2, and they equal 11. Alright, there's our equation. Check. Solve the equation by reasoning about the equation or hanger. Alright, so let's reason about this. So let's get rid of all of those groups except 1. So if 5 of those groups equal 11, then that means that one of those groups will equal 11 divided by 5. Alright, and so let's do 11 divided by 5 and see what that equals. 11 divided by 5. 2.2. So x plus 2 equals 2.2. And so if an x plus 2 equals, this becomes a 2.2 whenever you cut it down smaller, then what is the value of x? Well, I'd have to add a 0.2 to 2 to get there, right? So that means x must equal 0.2. There's my reasoning, there's my solution. Pretty easy stuff.